In this video, I'll show you how to tap your Cash App card on your phone to make a payment. The process is simple and only takes a few minutes. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone. Once it's open, look at the top right corner and tap the plus icon to add a new card. Next, select Debit or Credit Card, then tap Continue. This is where you'll connect your Cash App debit card to Apple Wallet so you can make contactless payments straight from your phone. You'll now see two options. The first method is by holding your physical Cash App card near your iPhone. Your phone will automatically detect it through NFC and capture the card details in just a few seconds. Wait for it to connect, and once it does, follow the on-screen prompts to continue. If the automatic method doesn't work or if you don't have your physical card with you, you can also add it manually. Just tap the option at the bottom that says Enter Card Details. From here, type in your name exactly as it appears on the card, along with your Cash App card number. You can also use your iPhone's camera to scan the card, which will automatically fill in the details for you. Once everything looks correct, tap Next in the top right corner. Now, you'll be asked to enter your card's expiration date and security code. After that, Apple Wallet will verify your information and may prompt you to accept the terms and conditions. Tap Agree to move forward. Depending on your card issuer, you may also need to complete a quick verification step through text or email. Once the verification is complete, your Cash App card will appear inside your Apple Wallet. Now you're ready to make payments with your phone. To pay in stores, just double-click the side button on your iPhone to bring up Apple Pay. Hold your phone near the contactless reader and wait for the vibration or check mark to confirm the transaction. The payment will be deducted directly from your Cash App balance, and you don't need to take out your physical card at all.